Another tough day on the charts. What can you say? Red day, day 33, down $4,656. Yeah, took a reversal setup, but just didn't pan out. Not much to say about it other than just a frustrating day. This was probably not the best read. I think I forced the trade a little bit. There was a reversal candle at the Asia high. Looked like it was going to continue. Bookmap definitely confirmed that direction, but ultimately we had another sweep of the lows and I got stopped out. TradeSyncer still glitching out a bit. All of my accounts went in, but it didn't look like they were. So I wasn't sure if I was going to take the full loss or just a small loss in this case. But I think it's working now. It's just like pretty laggy, which is annoying, but neither here nor there. Cannot blame the TradeSyncer for this trade. This was just a garden variety red day. What could I have done differently? Probably waited for confirmation a little bit more. I did move my entry up to the point of control rather than the Asia low because it looked like it was going to run. So I probably could have been more patient. Also, it wasn't super clear. I would call it a B setup, not an A plus setup. So also could have just sat out for the day or waited an hour just to see what happened at the 10 a.m. But took the trade, took the loss, and that's how the cookie crumbles. I think I am on the verge of losing a couple performance accounts at this point. They're right at the cusp of losing them. So if I take another trade and that trade goes into the red a little bit, those will close out. But that's all right. There's bound to be some attrition in each month or each week on some accounts, and it is what it is. I also need to reload some challenge accounts. I have lost 3 challenge accounts in the last couple of days on one of my groups. I will flag this because it is in my head and I will make a video about it. I'm getting inactivity flags for some of my performance accounts, and that is simply by virtue of being patient, that too many days pass where I don't take like a profitable trade on those accounts. And there's a threat of them being closed out just for me not even taking a trade, which I just think is antithetical to like the goal of becoming a consistent, patient, profitable trader. When you get these flags on your account, it just gets into your head. And then I'm thinking about, I got to make some profit on these accounts. So I'll maybe force a trade or get into the action. And I know prop firms aren't like meant to be your friend, but they market as such. They market like they want people to be consistent, patient traders. And this type of rule just is not conducive to that at all. So I realize now that I do need to diversify my prop firm split. I'm leaning heavily towards one right now just because they have cheaper accounts. But I think it's probably worthwhile spreading out the risk through several more. I am using 2, and I have used 5 total in the past. I'm going to start diversifying accounts right across 5, 6, 7 prop accounts. So I don't have this I'm not bound to any specific rules on any account. Like I'm still bound by them, but at least it's like takes less of an impact. So day 33, 4,600-ish down, red day. See you tomorrow. Don't expect profits.